Today's journey starts on Poole Quay with an upended boat and an old guitar. Normally playing a stranger's instrument would be considered bad form, but today, positively encouraged. Now for a question: what came first, the chicken or the egg, the real or the virtual game? A number of games usually found in amusement arcades or electronic game controllers have been recreated as life-sized creations. I wonder how
I played a real life-sized Space Invaders game.
Went down in the playground. The Marble Run game seemed more form over function
and rather difficult to play.
I'm surprised I haven't seen a number of these games in pub beer gardens.
Perhaps they are just too delicate for the rough and tumble of drunken adults.
Sometimes, when life gets too much, you need to take your frustration out on something or someone. What is better than a real-life game of work? There's plenty of people I'd like to use that hammer on. Good job that hammer is soft or someone is heading to the hospital. In space they say no one can hear you scream. In Boscombe, our next destination, no one gives a monkeys if you scream. This might be the nicer part of Boscombe, and not far from the home of Mary Shelley. More about Mary later. The freaks may come out at night, but Boscombe is one of the places they live. To some, this scene may appear a little odd. However, this is Boscombe and expect the unexpected. Words, words, words. Mary Wollstonecraft might have been known as the daughter of the feminist writer also called Mary Wollstonecraft. However, after marrying the most famous poet in the country, Percy Shelley, whose works include
I can't think of any offhand.
One night, her husband and his friends challenged themselves to write a very scary book. Mary decided to show the boys how it's done, and the 19-year-old wrote Frankenstein. She wrote a total of 8 books on her own and one with her husband.
Fancy peaking with your first attempt, and then spending the rest of your short life trying to go one better.
Mary is buried in nearby Bournemouth in the Shelly family vault. It was her dream to be buried with her parents. Shelley simply had them dug up and moved. Problem solved.